Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check your T-Mobile call history online. First, open the T-Mobile app on your phone and log in using your T-Mobile ID and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select lines and devices or tap on the specific phone line you want to view. Scroll down and tap on usage details or view line details. Now, tap on call history to view your recent calls, including the date, time, duration, and number of each call. You can also download or filter the details for a specific time period if you need a record of calls. And that's it. That's how to check T-Mobile call history online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.